Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi! I have some stuffs. I recently was in a giveaway and I won, and it was from Michelle. Her page is linked up above, and yes, you are naughty. You are only supposed to send me the giveaway. Now, I'm not a person that moans when somebody don't send me something when they're supposed to. People have lives, and people just need to get on with them. I know that more than anybody. So I was not bothered at all that this was late, or if it was even going to turn up. Now, she sent me this lovely letter, and you can pause here if you want to read it. And I'm gobsmacked, because not only is the thing that I won beautiful, she sent me all this stuff to say sorry. There's no need to say sorry. I mean, I'm just happy that she sent it, and it's handmade, and it's made with love. I don't care. It could be a year later. I mean, I'm still waiting on something from a giveaway from, it's probably a year ago. Yeah, I think it is. But, as I've kept saying, life is life. Get on with your life. I am in no rush. I ain't going anywhere. So, look at these papers. They're beautiful. That looks like a woven basket. They're so pretty. I now need to think of what I'm going to do with these papers. They have to be used somewhere. Or I could just sit and look at them lovingly. Don't take notice of that. That's part of a thing. I'm not sure whether I want to do or not yet. That's why it's only halfway done. So, she sent me those papers. She sent me these lovely little stick-on pearls. And the other box, I thought it was the same thing, and then I read it. It's gems, not pearls. Still gorgeous. And these will come in very handy. Very, very, very handy. And not only that, but she sent me a heap load of Micas and glitters, and oh, I forgot to put the gold flake and silver flake pots on, because there's two of those and they're big pots. These are really pretty colours. I really wish I hadn't have opened this before I tapped it. I forgot to tap it. So guess who wore it? Yep, that'd be me. I ended up with it everywhere. But it's a pretty colour. Very pretty colour. And I quite like the, what's it called? Burlesque one. It's like a red. So I'm glad I didn't open that one, because I really would have been dyed. And there are some beautiful stickers. You all know what I'm like with stickers. I went through them and I'm like, that's a duplicate. Maybe I can use that one. That's a duplicate. Maybe I can use that one. So the other ones will most likely be just lovingly looked at. Because stickers. Stickers is life. For me anyway. I like stickers. And this one's a really cute colour. But all those colours together would look really nice. My brain just needs to kick in to figure out what that nice will be. Can you see that blue card? I didn't really take much notice of it. And you'll have to excuse the light. I've shifted it. Well, I've shifted my stuff again. I'm happy with how it looks in the living room. I am not happy with the fact I've lost half of the space that I had to put my poop on. So now I'm like, where am I going to put it? So yeah, there's all these washi tapes. Now I like washi tapes, but right now I've only been using them when I'm doing watercolours, just to hold my paper down. But these are too nice for that. I mean, the blue set, they've got like mermaid scales. Oh, beautiful. And I have got the lighter blue one myself. So I'm assuming these are from the works. because that's where I got mine from. And there's so many. They're so pretty. What I'll do is I'll use the ones I'm not that keen on, which is hard because washi tapes are like stickers. Too pretty. So yeah, this, I didn't take them out the packet because, well, I didn't want to stand there for ages just staring. And the little potion bottles, and jars, they're so pretty. They'll be another set I'll probably just stare at and look at lovingly until I figure out what to do with them. But these stickers are all so colourful. Now, I'm hoping they're just rainbow and not standing for anything else, because I am very much in the camp of we are all human beings, we don't need labels. And if you need a label to specify who you are, then you're an idiot. Nobody needs a label. Those heads, oh, love it. Now, I thought when I found the second one of that, have I got a double? No. One's a rainbow, one's a moonlight. I think it's moonlight. Yeah. But there's some really nice ones. I'm like, oh, that one made me chuckle. It reminded me of being a kid. Well, I say 14 when I first started smoking. I have quit smoking. Don't shout at me, peoples. Took me a while. At least I've been off them for 2 years, so, you know. So that's a spare. That's a double. I can use that one. For this panda throwing up a rainbow. I love it. And this one, dead creepy. I love that too. It's like, oh, teddy bears, monster teddy bears. In my head, I'm thinking Five Nights at Freddy. I'm not sure. But then I started spotting some that my son would absolutely love. Here we go. Yeah. It's, oh God, Brain. Brain, where did you just go? Pickle Rick. And, oh my God, I knew what I was going to say before I started this. It's a cartoon. My son absolutely loves it. He's 25 years old. Pickle Rick, there's Pickle Rick. And he absolutely loves this. Here we go. Rick and Morty. Thank you, sticker. And he does. He absolutely loves it. He thinks it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, he's about as childish as I am. So he's going to love these. I'm going to have to think of something to do with these, because these I won't lovingly look at because they're not my thing. Even though they did make me smile. He will love them. I mean, there's quite a few. I mean, that one made me chuckle, because that looks like me in the morning. Yeah, it's like, don't talk to me. I need coffee. I need sleep. Go away. And a little shiny butterfly. Very pretty. But yeah, that one behind it, definitely me. There's so many colourful rainbow things. I mean, there's even ice creams. Well, lollipops. No, not lollipops. Ice lollies. Oh, we still call them ice creams. And that's a cake, I think. But it's dead cute. With a little cherry on top. Or strawberry, I'm not quite sure. Look at that. And I kept having to remember that I've got a candle on. It's baffing with the light. And I need to get close to the camera. That donut was like that. That's cool. That's the second alien head, so it wasn't the same. And I think he's out of Rick and Morty too, but I can't picture him. But I assume because he's with the others, that's a definite. I've only seen Rick and Morty a couple of times. And I was like, is that the duplicate? Must be. So yeah, all these stickers are absolutely awesome. And then there's these. So many pretties. I mean, one of them feels really heavy. Not like any ordinary glitter. I was wondering if it was sand and glitter, because it feels really heavy, but some really pretty colours. And that little pot, I accidentally dropped that one on the floor, and Skits, my nutcase of a cat, found it straight away. She's rolling it all over the floor. I'm like, will you get off? I've only just got that. Can I have something of my own for at least 5 minutes? And I think this is holographic. It's like the camera don't do it justice. It's got like purples and browns and blacks and it's just delicious. That does not mean eat it. And this one, that is nice. I'm trying to give it the best visual, but yeah, it doesn't do it justice at all. Really purpley, very pretty. But it's this one. I think it's this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it feels like sand. I mean, I'm moving it around like sand in the bag, and it's like I can see twinkles, but it feels weird. So I'm interested to find out what I can do with that. And there's lots of... These are all glitters as far as I can feel. They don't feel like the blue one. Well, it's more like a teal, I suppose. But they are heavy, but just not as a weird texture like the blue one, teal, whatever it's called. So, yeah. Lots and lots of stuff. When really I should have just got the giveaway. Which... Believe me, when I saw it, I thought it was absolutely stunning. Well, she decided she didn't like it, sanded it, top coated it, and did nothing but apologise. She did not need to apologise. Michelle, you did not need to apologise. At all. Life be life. And, you know, things happen eventually. Don't worry about it. I'm just chuffed that it got here in one piece. I mean, our poster's not great. I think I found a Christmas card in my letterbox the other day. Yes, the other day. It was sent well before Christmas, and it finally turned up. So, you know, I'm very patient, and this bit I forgot. I shifted all my stuff and then found them. I'm like, oh, God. These are beautiful. Got lamps, an owl, and this. I think you can get 3 out of that one. If you cut the person out of the front and leave the birds in the back, you can get 3 out of that. Just in case I don't want to make anything too big. But it is beautiful. Very me. I like black. I like goth. I like steampunk. I just don't do enough of it. So now it's time to open the parcel. The actual thing I was supposed to get. And it's a wall hanging. Or something you can lean up against the wall. Or a tray if you wanted to use it as a tray. And it's stunning. Look at those colours. I mean, I watched her do it and I'm like, oh, I like that. It's Skelly Wellies. I like Skelly Wellies. I mean, who could not like Skelly Wellies? And they're in love. Blech. But still, it's so cool. And I'm so impressed. So thank you so much, Michelle. I proper love this. I mean, you almost got a vision of me in there. Oh, you can see me in there. I do apologise. Please wipe your eyes. Or use it to keep the kids away from the fire guard. But yeah, it's beautiful. I just couldn't stop stroking it. I had to stroke it. It was just so smooth and so shiny and beautiful. So yes, Michelle, you're naughty. So naughty. And thank you so much. And if you haven't checked out Michelle's channel, I shall pop her in the description below. And please check her out. She's lovely. She's Scottish. She's mad. It's great. So thank you again, Michelle. And I shall see you all in the next one. I'll leave you a picture up at the end. And bye-bye.